If your curiosity looks like a volcano, you're a budding scientist. Let's explore Earth's layers. Earth is like a giant onion. It has layers and each one is unique. First up, the crust. It's where we live, made of solid rocks and minerals. Think of it as Earth's skin, about 70 kilometers thick. The temperature here ranges from the air temperature at the surface to about 1,000 degrees Celsius. Next, we have the mantle. This layer is like hot, gooey caramel. It's semi-solid and moves very slowly, causing earthquakes and volcanoes. It extends to a depth of about 2,900 kilometers. The temperature here ranges from 1,000 to 3,700 degrees Celsius. Then comes the outer core. It's super hot and liquid, made mostly of iron and nickel, and is approximately 2,200 kilometers thick. The temperature here ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 degrees Celsius. This layer creates Earth's magnetic field, which protects us from harmful space radiation. Finally, we reach the inner core. It's a solid ball of iron and nickel, hotter than the surface of the sun, with a radius of about 1,220 kilometers. The temperature here can reach up to 6,000 degrees Celsius. Talk about a fiery center. So there you have it, the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. Earth's layers are truly out of this world. Thanks for joining this quick dive into Earth's layers. Stay curious, science buddies. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting science adventures. Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.